Okay, and here's the global property consultancy Knight Frank along with India's largest industry body FICCI releasing their second quarter real estate sentiment index, and they say there's been a marked improvement from the pessimism and caution of the last two quarters. The supply side players, which essentially means the developers and financial institutions, are both highly optimistic of property markets actually seeing a revival over the coming 6 months. Well, we can just say we are keeping our fingers crossed as well. I hope those inquiries turn into sales. Otherwise, this optimism is not going to last very long. Vasudha Sharma does a mood check.
Stagnant property markets of over the past quarters will soon turn a new leaf. That's the latest mood among real estate developers across India. The second quarter findings of the Real Estate Sentiment Index recorded by Knight Frank and FICCI shows a high degree of optimism in the sector on the supplier side, despite severe slowdown in sales in the first 6 months of 2014. Developers, private equity funds and financial institutions questioned across 7 major cities are collectively bullish about the real estate sector for the current and upcoming quarters. With a score below 50 implying pessimism, the FICCI Knight Frank Sentiment Index has entered the optimistic territory, recording a score of 69 in the second quarter of 2014.
It's reflective of a 6-point jump, and therefore showing that both from developers and others who are in the sector itself, that means those who are in the business of real estate, do see an improving sentiment across the board.
For the residential space, a market largely driven by sentiments, over 80% of the developers forecast that new launches and sales volumes will improve in the coming 6 months. And compared to just 14% in quarter 1 of 2014, 62% of the respondents expect prices to go up during the second half of 2014.
This sentiment index was taken in the second quarter, which was just post the elections, shows a tremendous increase in the optimism from all sectors.
Even for conservative developers and lenders are already seeing green shoots of growth, should we assume that execution of stalled projects will pick up pace? Well, the sentiment index shows that 75% of the developers are confident about tackling the crisis of funds.
If I talk about the investors, the international investors, institutional investors, be it the private equity funds, there is a remarkable enthusiasm. It's almost like a second coming.
But when will the upbeat state of mind in the industry translate into a real turnaround on ground? That will become evident during the upcoming festive season when most home seekers finalize their house purchase. In New Delhi, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.